Welcome back to Latest Carbox, your ultimate destination for the latest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the stunning and sophisticated 2025 Renault Kardian. This compact SUV is redefining what it means to combine style, technology, and performance. So, buckle up and let's explore what makes the Kardian a true game changer. Say anything to you? Oh. First things first, let's talk design. The Renault Kardian boasts a bold, modern exterior with sharp lines and an aggressive front grille. It's impossible to ignore the signature LED lighting that gives the SUV a futuristic yet elegant vibe. Whether you're cruising downtown or hitting the open road, the Kardian is built to turn heads. And those 19-inch alloy wheels? Absolute showstoppers. Renault has truly nailed the balance between rugged SUV appeal and urban sophistication. The three examiners reflectively clearly see the difference between a real-world laser and twin spears. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin designed to impress. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and plenty of space for passengers and cargo. But the real highlight here is the tech. The Kardian comes equipped with Renault's advanced 12-inch digital driver display and a 9-inch infotainment touchscreen. With built-in support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, staying connected on the go has never been easier. And let's not forget the wireless charging pad, perfect for those busy days when you're always on the moving. Please stay. Close-ups of the Kardian's engine and performance. Now let's pop the hood. The 2025 Renault Kardian features a 1.3-litre turbocharged engine that delivers an impressive 150 horsepower. Paired with a smooth 7-speed automatic gearbox, this SUV offers a dynamic and responsive driving experience. And for all the adventure seekers out there, the Kardian's enhanced traction control and available all-wheel drive system ensure confidence on any terrain, whether it's a muddy trail or a snow-covered road. Scene Safe safety features demonstration showing adaptive cruise control and collision avoidance in action. When it comes to safety, Renault doesn't compromise. The Kardian is loaded with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. There's also a 360-degree camera system to make parking in tight spaces a breeze. Solo or with the family, the Kardian is designed to keep everyone safe and secure. Recognizing the shots of the Kardian on a scenic road trip, highlighting fuel efficiency and comfort. Out of the standout features of the 2025 Renault Kardian is its excellent fuel efficiency. With an estimated 35 miles per gallon on the highway, it's perfect for those long road trips or daily commutes. And thanks to its advanced suspension system, the ride is always smooth and comfortable, even on rougher roads. So there you have it, the 2025 Renault Kardian. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features, it's clear that Renault has hit a home run with this compact SUV. Think Ofagara Tinkor. Change your perspective of Jonathan Popkins. Whether you're looking for a stylish city ride or a reliable adventure companion, the Kardian has it all. Thanks for watching Latest Carbox. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Renault Kardian, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing car reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about this SUV. Would you drive it? Until next time, stay tuned for more from latest Carbox. See you soon!